She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa.
Hi, I don't own a lot of saris, but everything I own are all my favorites. So today in this episode, we are going to see how to style one of my first saris with all the possible tops, shirts, t-shirts, dresses from my wardrobe. And do let me know what is your favorite amongst all of these. And I was always attracted to this idea of using tops with your saris, but I never did it till now. But you know what? Everything in life has its first time. So let's go.
She hides under her disguise. Yeah, 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 yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under the subtle smile, we'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa.
I highly recommend anybody who's just starting out or a college student that you choose this fabric because it's very easy to carry, very easy to drape. Plus, it makes you look so flattering. So, what else do you need?
Everyone's lining up to see her.
Oh, here it reminds me of Mehuna's music where Amrita Rao or Shushmita Sen is entering, and then there's this typical Bollywood music which takes the heartbeat away. So I remember that movie so well because it actually blew my mind. And one of the most famous words that we hear in our childhood or heard in our childhood was Ghagra Choli, but I think recently that word has been totally taken over by the word lehenga. But yeah, over here something that I try to create is very much like, I would say it's a Ghagra Choli.
Like that, just hold me down like that. Yeah.
This is a dress which I wore with this sari. Actually, a very well tailored or structured pattern on your outfit shows power, symbolizes power. Just like if you see Khaleesi's outfits from Game of Thrones, all her outfits, most of them, when she became the empress, she wears dresses that show power, that have a lot of intricate design, or these elevated structured designs on them, because that symbolizes power. And I love this outfit for the detail that it has beside my neck.
Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something better.
While this looks like a modern day dressing, you will be surprised if I tell you that wearing a shirt and a belt with sari was actually there since long ago. And this outfit here, I feel like I look like a jailer, maybe. I think that's the word, if I'm right. So, those uniforms of the people who are there in the jail. So,
Dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life.
it's a short sleeve, long sleeve, flounce sleeve, balloon sleeve, or any kind of sleeve. Our ancestors have all worn it long ago, and we recreate these timeless pieces again and again according to our convenience and the kind of sari that we wear during this modern era.
Beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You'll find the beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. Let me paint a picture.
Yeah, the theme over here is coral. So if you can see, I'm wearing a strap top with all the coral colors, and I themed it up with this beautiful neck piece. Well, there's no beach party right now here, neither I'm living near a place that has beach, but I don't think girls need a reason for dress up. Do we?
Whoa. Slow it down like that. Just hold me down like that. Yeah. She's a Mona.
Trying out so many tops, t-shirts and dresses with saris has actually made me feel that isn't this a much economical way of dressing up? Because like getting a blouse done is not an easy job. Like, you have to find the material, you have to find the right tailor, and then you have to go around the tailor like 10 times before he delivers the blouse to you. This is so much faster, cheaper and easy. And who doesn't want that? Who doesn't love these three words?
She's a Mona Lisa. Every Everyone's lining up.
The sleeve structure, the closed neckline, the open necklines, deep necklines, or the bodice, everything is interesting about a blouse.
There must be something about a feature.
Whoa, this is like the fourth color that I've tried on, and I so love the frill in the front and also the deep neckline both in the front and the back. And since my personal styling is very minimalistic, I only used gold earring. It initially surprised me when I read the story of how blouses became so famous that we have to wear them with saris, because if you see initial days there was no concept of blouse with sari, but this became very popular when Rabindranath Tagore's brother's wife was denied going into an English club because she was not dressed appropriately, and then she decided to wear shirt under the sari, and thereon it became famous. But of course it was Bollywood who took it over to the next step, because we always like following our film stars, what they did and what they wore. So
Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. Let me paint a picture.
next up is this bustier top. So I present you a very peppy look, combining yellow with some floral prints, and I totally think this top was like a steal because I got it from a thrift store for a very less price, and it was totally worth it.
You be looking fine, so no wonder they can't match that Louis V scarf or I'm chilling with a dad. Whoa.
Although the most exciting part of summer is that we all cousins meet up and we literally plan every single day what to do, where to go, and have lots of fun. I'm going to miss that this summer, but nothing is constant. I did not realize that it's 40 degrees outside, and because of the heat my camera would stop working all the time, so I had to keep waiting for it to recover and then keep shooting again. But successfully I finished shooting it, and here's the video. So if you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up, and I will see you again next time. Till then, bye bye.
Once you get to meet her, she's a Mona Lisa. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa.